Hey everyone, Rod Egan here, Worldwide Auctioneers. We're going through the building today talking about some of the cars that really stand out, kind of cool. Cool factor for me, this one, 1967, great year. A lot of great things came out in 1967 into our world. This 21 window Samba bus is documented with some paperwork, just finished a restoration in 2022, so very recent. And a lot of care and energy went into making it as pretty as it is. These are the factory original colors. Again, desirable 21 window. And what I love, you get the sunroof, which is really cool on these too. Seldom seen, you got the walk-through front seats. The thing is immaculate. I love how it looks, how it presents. And you're probably looking at it and saying, yeah, but Rod, there's Porsche wheels on it. Well, yes, indeed. Why are there Porsche wheels? Fuchs Porsche wheels to go with all the suspension that's been upgraded very carefully with a driving purpose. And then one more upgrade, which is my favorite, and one of the reasons I think it's like super cool, is because back here is a 73 911E flat six engine, which gives this thing incredible power. Tied in with the upgrades underneath, this thing drives like a modern day rocket. It's the most fun you'll ever have in one of these buses. Traditionally, they've been known to be a little bit underpowered or a lot underpowered. Not this one. This is the resto mod of VW buses. And of course, in the Porsche world, we refer to those as the Outlaws. And this is one cool Outlaw. It's gonna sell April 29th, Auburn, Indiana, right here at our auction. Make sure you come and hang out with us. The Enthusiast auction, you're gonna see this and a ton of other great stuff.